We're gonna continue talking about energy and work. Let's see some worked examples. We have this figure of a man doing work by pushing the crate along. He is doing work against the force of friction acting on the crate. He pushes towards the right with a force of 500 Newton. The crate moves to the right by 30 meters. This means that he has done 500 times 30, which is equal to 15,000 joules of work on the crate. However, if the crate was too heavy to move, he could push it all day without doing any work at all. This is because the force will not have moved through any distance. Let's say two people push the crate with total force of 800 Newton through a distance of 20 meters. How much work in joules do they do on the crate? So the force F is equal to 800 Newton and the distance D is 20 meters. Now let's see this other example. A chairlift does work by carrying people up a mountain. A chairlift carries a woman to the top of the mountain. It exerts a 600 Newton upward force on her. It lifts her 500 meters up and also carries her 1,800 meters forwards. As the force is pushing vertically upwards, it is the vertical distance through which she is lifted that is used when calculating the work done on the woman by the chairlift. So we have 600 Newton and the vertical distance is 500 meters. So W will be equal to 600 times 500, which will be equal to 300,000 joules. Dividing over 1,000, we get 300 kilojoule.